you guys remember Xiaomi? Yes, the very company that we used to associate with phones, gadgets, and all sorts of smart things. Well, it's been a year and a half since they broke into the auto theme with their YU7 sedan. And you know, they didn't just break in, they've already rolled out 258,000 cars. The second car from Xiaomi was supposed to be shown a month ago at the Shanghai Motor Show, but there was a scandal. YU7 got into an accident on autopilot and the premiere had to be postponed. But there was no point in dragging it out for long. And now, on its 15th anniversary, Xiaomi has finally officially unveiled its first electric crossover, the YU7. At the presentation, Lei Jun, the head of Xiaomi, gave a very honest and powerful speech to the employees. He said, after the accident with the fatalities, the level of criticism was prohibitively high, even though CNCAP recognized Xiaomi as China's safest car. We are new to the auto industry, but we cannot behave like a startup given the scale and influence of the Xiaomi brand. Society expects us to take the responsibility to be the leader of the auto industry. We are committed to making Xiaomi cars the safest in their class, surpassing industry standards. We pledged to spend more than $13 billion on research and development over 5 years, and we've done it. When we founded Xiaomi, I thought it would take the world 15 years to fully understand us. Now I see that even 15 years may not be enough, and that's okay. We will keep going. That's such a serious bid, folks. Xiaomi isn't just playing the market, they're really aiming for the long and big game. The novelty from Xiaomi comes in 3 versions: rear wheel and all-wheel drive, with a powerful 800-volt system, dual-chamber air suspension, and Brembo brakes. Inside, there is a panoramic display as much as 1.1 meters long, which can be customized. The top version of the YU7 produces 690 horsepower and accelerates to 100 in just 3.23 seconds. The head of the company, Lei Jun, is still silent about the price and the start of sales. They promise to reveal all the cards in July. He confidently states that the new crossover is ready to compete with Tesla Model Y and Porsche Macan EV. Let's sort out what Xiaomi has prepared and what will surprise this newcomer. Xiaomi YU7 continues the brand's signature design and keeping the signature style of the first model, YU7 sedan. It's essentially an elevated sedan, but with character. And frankly, it reminds me of a Ferrari Purosangue. The appearance of the crossover is a perfect combination of style and drive. From the front, drop-shaped headlights with modular lenses immediately catch the eye. Black wide air intakes and aerodynamic deflectors add sporty mood. The profile is like that of a coupe. Smooth, dynamic roofline gives a fresh and impetuous look. At the rear, Xiaomi brand lights in the form of a concave arc, recognizable and stylish. The door handles deserve special attention. In the standard position, they are flush with the body, emphasizing the streamlined design and reducing aerodynamic drag. When the owner approaches with the key, the handles automatically slides inside the door itself and then smoothly returns to its place when the owner is seated. All air ducts on the body are not just for beauty, even those in the headlights. The company puts a lot of emphasis on this. Active flaps in the front bumper and as many as 2 spoilers in the rear work together to intelligently manage airflow and reduce drag. And even the one-piece aluminum hood, also not an accident, but part of the aerodynamics. Bottom line, a drag coefficient of just 0.245 and plus 59 kilometers of range compared to pre-optimization figures, making the YU7 one of the longest range and sportiest electric crossovers in its class. The model will offer 9 body colors, including green inspired by Colombian Usumruda, deep orange, and titanium metallic. The YU7 is built on Modena's own platform, and its dimensions are appropriate, almost 5 meters in length, 4,999 millimeters, almost 2 meters in width, and 1,608 millimeters in height. Wheelbase is exactly 3 meters, so everything is okay with space inside. The crossover weighs a lot, from 2,315 to 2,425 kilograms, depending on the equipment and battery. Cargo capacity up to 450 kilograms. The bright design of Xiaomi YU7 sets high standards for the interior as well. It combines comfort and high technology. The main novelty is the 1.1 meter long Xiaomi Hypervision panoramic display, powered by a 3rd generation Snapdragon 8 chip with triple matrix and curved projection technology, which projects important information directly onto the lower part of the windshield. The system integrates driving, media, and blind spot data, allowing you to customize convenient widgets. And the front panel itself has a layered design, and thanks to the clever layout, it's thin, low, and visually light, without feeling massive like typical crossovers. The Xiaomi YU7 offers 3 stylish interior shades: light gray and rich orange and blue. All surfaces are upholstered in soft, hypoallergenic materials. The seats are covered with Nappa leather. In front, comfortable seats with a function of 0 gravity, tilt up to 123 degrees and 10-point massage, and special foam relieves pressure on short journeys, while memory foam provides support on long journeys. In the rear, there are seats that can be electrically adjusted up to 135 degrees, a 6.68-inch removable screen for climate control, music, and navigation, and a small box for cooling and heating food or drinks. The 1.7 square meter panoramic roof not only brightens the interior, but also protects it from 99% of UV radiation. The YU7 combines a striking design with a spacious interior. Thanks to the integration of the battery directly into the body of the car and the thin floor, the interior feels noticeably more head and legroom than its competitors, as the company claims. Total claimed luggage capacity is 1,970 liters, including a main trunk volume of 678 liters, which increases to 1,758 liters with the rear seats folded, plus a handy 71-liter compartment under the trunk floor, while the front compartment under the hood offers an additional 141 liters. Xiaomi YU7 is equipped with a new electronic architecture with a module that integrates the control of many auto functions into one powerful processor instead of dozens of separate units. For advanced driver assistance functions is responsible for the new NVIDIA Drive AGX Thor computing platform with 700 TOPS with support for artificial intelligence. The entire line of Xiaomi YU7 is equipped with advanced sensors. LiDAR with an obstacle detection range of up to 200 meters helps see in the dark. 4D radar millimeter Vogo range recognizes cars up to 200 meters and pedestrians 100 meters. And as they say in Xiaomi, working perfectly even in rain and fog. It also comes with 7 anti-glare cameras, 11 HD cameras, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. To maximize passenger safety, especially given the recent tragic SU7 incidents, the car has been given an integrated super strength steel frame with a strength of 2,200 megapascals, body stiffness of 47,610 nanometers per gram, very strong. The protection is complemented by an aluminum front frame and a hybrid steel and aluminum body with reinforced front and middle struts, and the battery is protected by a reinforced shell with bulletproof coating. Xiaomi claims the car has successfully passed more than 50 passive safety tests. More information about the electric crossover Xiaomi promised in July 2025. The price is still a secret, but already today in China, around this model is a real stir. Interest in the first crossover Xiaomi even exceeds the attention to their sedan. The final picture will become clearer as soon as orders open, and then it will become clear how loudly this novelty will enter the market. If you liked this review, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos, and leave a comment with your opinion. We are always happy to know what our viewers think. Thanks for being with us until next time on the channel.